up on scene. I know you guys think I'm causing these myself with how much we get them. Heavy 20-footer, got over 40,000 pounds. They want me to start right away on the... Okay. What do they want me to do? Bring the tractor over to stop the leak? Oh yeah, you got a big old mess.
Yeah, go ahead.
You guys want me to turn this first? He was telling me for the leak.
We're just trying to see if we can stop it for you guys. It's just the cap. Once you write it, it's going to stop.
Absolutely. It looks like a lot of it leaked out already.
Well,
okay, well, we'll wait until you guys give us the green light. In the meantime, I'm going to position my truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in no rush, brother. You take your time. Yeah, so we got some time out for us. Fire's gonna work on that leak. In the meantime, I'm gonna get the truck 66 in position to control the front while I get it off the side. The beauty about working off the side is we're able to alleviate traffic. This is a very busy area, and I told them I just need this. They can divert everything there. Other records would have to back up to it, which is not what we want. Let's see if I space this right. I need these tires to land right in front of the outrigger. Yeah, this is good. Here's where the container, so my lift line's gonna be right here, so turn around. I could probably go forward to the right a little bit. Right here's good. Set this baby up. Do they fit? Yes, sir. I'm spacing out my outriggers to see how I'm gonna do this.
Okay. I'd rather just close it all off for safety. Does that make more sense? Because I mean, your safety, our safety, liability on both sides.
In that case, we'll work fast. I hate closing traffic. All right, well, so much for the lane. They put their truck there because I guess in the event of a failure, they just want to close it. So I said, all right, no problem. In that case, I'll reposition my truck over more this way. Gives me more room for error too when I bring it over, landing over the outriggers. It's one thing I hate though, I hate having to work with close traffic. You guys don't remember this spot from that video last week? Depends on when I upload this, maybe 2 weeks ago. The Long Beach rollover. Happens all the time.
We slowed it down. We slowed that leak down a lot, but it's not going to stop. So I'm just going to leave the pool there. Let you ride it, okay?
Absolutely, sir.
We'll hang out with you if you need any help.
Absolutely. You want to jump up there and start rigging?
I got a cleanup company coming. So
Patriot?
Patriot. No, I think it's
Ocean Blue?
I think they're contracted down here.
I see them all the time, both of them, okay.
Patriot does a lot of stuff with these terminals, but this is no man's land, so.
As always, quick status. Time is of the essence. I'm gonna set up both Hulk and my dad's side. And because it's a 20-footer, we're gonna have my dad turn right and back up to it, but only when we're ready. Ooh, the locks. Perfect. Perfect. All right, let's tighten up. Make sure that I'm at a good angle. We'll get some really good height on this one. Never underestimate a 40-foot container. I mean a 20-footer. That might be good. Do they fit?
No, they don't fit.
None?
But the thing is, the ones we
Spike
have,
it.
I know. Okay.
You're gonna have to park right here.
Oh, I know. Okay. Let me know.
I'll guide you. Hector, you already know what to do. Spike and catch.
Okay.
Spike it, come over with us. That's fine because there's a lock right there.
I know, but still. Okay.
All right, we did a check. We're all good. I'm gonna stand on my side, okay? I'm gonna stand here. Fire to Ocean Blues on the way, or Patriot, one of the two. 1, 2, 3. All right, slow and steady wins the race. Nice and controlled. Big flipper being an absolute brute. It's almost at the point of all catch. working easy.
Do you have any tension on it?
None. I got zero tension.
Okay, well, let's lean it. Let's counter lean it.
All right, we'll counter lean it. It's a little crooked, so we're gonna try to counter lean it. There's nothing on this side. There's nothing on this side.
Okay, let's drop it.
It's fine. I see nothing wrong with it.
There was really more before.
It's just a
Hey, I'm gonna say that food for spider.
Now to jump up there and grab all our stuff. Now this is one of my favorite parts because it means we're done. Just put all the rigging away. And off we go to the next one, buddy. Actually, we'll just take it off from here. That's a nasty mess. They had an environmental company to clean it up. So at least we don't have to do that part. There she goes. Super quick status. Hector's hooked up, drive shaft off, air shot. We haven't even put these away yet. That's for a big flipper.
Yeah.
What's this?
Hey, I like my empty fridge. No Red Bull for that.
Flipper's done. Polka's done.
Appreciate the quick response.
No, thank you guys. You guys are amazing.
No problem, man.
Are you guys taking the
whole thing, yeah.
The whole thing?
Yes. Back to the customer's base.
Sorry?
Back to the customer's yard, yes.
And the container, you taking it too?
Everything.
Everything?
All in one shot.
Because I think the guy's fighting, he wants to take the container.
Hey, Dad, is the guy taking the container? I thought he didn't have a tractor.
I don't know, it's right there.
That's his tractor?
That's good.
We'll deal with it right now off the freeway. Okay? We'll talk to him. Okay, just spoke to the owner, really cool guy. And my guy's gonna take the tractor after all to their body shop. They got their own tractor for the container. So everyone wins, everyone's happy. I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoyed.